Welcome to Buy, Hold, Sell. I'm Matthew Kidman and we are down at the dumps. You might feel down and out, but some stocks are really down and out. And to join me to talk about down the dump stocks is Alex Leyland from Leyland Asset Management and Anton Tagliaferro from Investors Mutual. Anton, telco sector used to be very defensive. Vocus, buy, hold or sell?
Sell. I think they've got huge issues. The sector's, very, very competitive. And I think in that sector, if you have to hold something, you stick with strength, you stick with Telstra.
Okay, Alex, down 30-odd% this year. Vocus, been a disaster. Buy, hold or sell?
I think it's a sell. They've had 3 downgrades. They've got indigestion from all the acquisitions that they've made. So yeah, just don't go there.
And the ad says go Harvey go, but Harvey Norman's just stopped in its tracks this year. Retail, property, buy, hold or sell?
I think it's a buy. It's down 30% this year. It's on about 12 times earnings. I think the Amazon effect's overdone, so it's a buy.
Anton, we've got Amazon coming, but Harvey Norman has got a lot of property. Is it a value play, buy, hold or sell?
Look, I think it'll be, I think it's a sort of hold, a weak hold, sell into strength. Amazon will have an impact. That is one area they do go into, the hi-fi electronics, etc. And look, consumer spending is waning a bit. So I think, Harvey Norman's best days are behind it.
Okay, sugar. You've gone off sugar, I've gone off sugar. Coca-Cola Amatil, out of favour, buy, hold or sell?
Look, we've been buying them below $8. Again, it's out of favour. While carbonated drinks are on the downhill slide, people are drinking less sugary drinks. The non-sugary stuff is still increasing, And look, Coke's a reasonable buy below $8.
Alex, you got a view on Coke? It's gone one way over the last year. It used to be a very defensive stock. Buy, hold or sell?
I'd say it's a sell. And we've seen a lot of these supposedly defensive businesses get sold off. But Coke, people aren't drinking sugary drinks. They're not getting growth in Australia, and I don't think Indonesia's growing fast enough for them. So it's a sell.
Now, let's go into the depression party. Is there a bit of light somewhere in there? Is there a stock?
Yeah, I think Pact Groups, they've got very resilient earnings. They do packaging, obviously, and they've been hit by energy costs going up and input costs going up. So they've been down a bit, but I think that could be a good investment at this level.
Okay, Anton, is there something in there that might give us a ray of light?
Yeah, look, we think Fletcher Building is good value. I mean, obviously they've had issues with their development arm, which has had development losses. But if you look at the remainder of the business, it's all doing well. The New Zealand economy is, particularly strong. The Labor government's talking about spending on infrastructure in New Zealand. So once the development losses, hopefully we're at an end, on normalised earnings, it's around 11, 12 times. And we think at, current levels, it's cheap.
There you have it. You might feel down in the dumps, and some stocks are, but buy, hold, sell has provided some therapy.